Need a curved stairlift but don't know where to begin? Well, you've come to the right place. Hi, my name is Coral and together with my husband Colin, we own First Choice Stairlifts. Between us we have over 55 years of lift experience, so let us be your guide. Having a lift installed makes a massive difference. It will transform your life, keeping you safe on the stairs and staying in the home that you love. So here are the answers to the most asked questions we hear about having a curved model fitted. Can stairlifts go around corners? Yes, they can. No matter how many twists and turns you have, whether you have fan shapes, flat landings, narrow, spiral, or even multi-flights like townhouses, we can fit it. Curved stairs can be tricky, but because of our knowledge, expertise and extensive range, we can fit on even the most quirky of stairs, often fitting one where others can't. The rail can go on either side of your stairs and can be made to different configurations to suit you and your home. Which curved stairlift is best? There are over 12 different curved models available today, and as an independent dealer, we offer a selection of the best models. We believe a lift needs to be as individual as you are and not a one-size-fits-all approach. Everyone's needs are different, everyone's curved stairs are different. So in our range, we have the ideal solution to fit you and your home, tailored to meet your individual requirements. We offer a mixture of single or double tube rail designs, with the single tubes being the most popular due to their sleek design and advanced technology. All models are battery powered and will work in a power cut. They are charged via a mains power point, and if you don't have one nearby, we can organise this for you. To find out which model would be best, our friendly team will be happy to discuss and explain the options with you. How are curved stairlifts installed? Typical installations take around 4 hours to complete. The rail attaches to your stairs by screwing the rail support legs into your stair treads. Once installed, we vacuum, clean and sanitize your stairs and product and give you a thorough demonstration and test drive to make sure you can use it safely and confidently. How long do I need to wait to have a curved stairlift fitted? Now this is a crucial tip. Curved rails are made to measure to get a more tailored fit for you and your stairs, and take around 2 to 4 weeks depending on manufacturer. So if you think you need a curved installation, call us and inquire about our range as soon as you can. When you order with us, we carry out a photo survey, taking digital images run through computer software to produce the best rail design for your stairs. So here's where our expertise really shines and perhaps what makes us different. Our expert surveyors will then check the manufacturer's drawing and tweak the rail placement to get the perfect fit. Your product will then be manufactured and sent to us ready for your installation. How do I buy a curved stairlift? You can buy new models or second-hand reconditioned models. We also hire out rentals, so if you have a temporary need or prefer not to buy outright. Second-hand and rental models are normally just a few years old and reconditioned to very high standard, as well as being thoroughly cleaned and sanitized before they leave our workshop. So for reconditioned and rental models, we use a second-hand chair and carriage, but all curved rail options need a made-to-measure rail. Prices vary depending on the model, number of bends, meterage of rail, and chair options. So please call us to discuss your needs and we can give you an idea of cost. Normally our products are tax deductible, so you won't pay VAT if you have a qualifying health condition. What about maintenance and servicing? We put the care into aftercare, so you have total peace of mind when you buy from us. When you need us, just call. Our local engineers are on call for emergency repairs 24/7, 365 days a year. And if your lift should stop working, we will be with you the same day. All models come with warranties that can be extended if you wish. You should have your lift serviced and safety checked annually as recommended by safety standards. So we hope we've answered your questions, but if you have more, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly team who will be pleased to help. To see which model would be best for your stairs, call us to book a stairlift assessment where we can evaluate your stairs and chat through all the options with you to provide a no obligation quotation. There are no high pressure sales, so you are in the safest of hands with our experts. You can also visit our showroom by appointment at our offices in Carl and Wiltshire to try our models out for yourself. Having a stairlift fitted can be life-changing, so make that call to us today on 0800 019 2210.